Clearborough, North Dallas, 2025 M3 Comp, full wrap with the Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film, with the full ceramic window film, XR Plus. Wheels came off for a full complete ceramic coating. Ceramic went over the PPF. I think it's a 6-year. And then also, obviously I'll go around the wrap and show you how we wrap everything in and make everything look good. This car only has 2,200 miles on it, and obviously it dries faster, so the rocks hit harder, but before the wrap went on it, he put 2,300 miles on it, and it has a few little hits, so he was shocked to see that a car gets rock damage that fast. It gets rock damage and as soon as it hits the road, less than a mile. So it's just the faster you go, the harder they're gonna hit. And this car's pretty quick, that's why I bought it. So without further ado, let's check out our install. So when we do these A-pillars, they go all the way back. All the way back, they're all part of this. Fender, taillight comes out. We wrap everything in perfectly. Take the door handles out, they come right in and out, just like a plug. Remove that, torque it back. They come out and they go right back in, no issues. We put some double layers too, I'll show you. And then this is just a trim piece that pops off in the event you had to replace your windshield for the windshield guy, but we wrapped the PPF under and inside the door. All the mirrors are nicely done in clean sections. The fender, hood, all wrapped in with no lines at all. Bumper, very nicely done. There's a couple hits on it. I'll show you one of his rock hits. Where are we at here? This is how they look when you get them. He don't want no touch up or anything, so he said just leave it. But anyway, coming around this side, everything all wrapped in, everything looking good. Coming around the doors, all the moldings, everything looks perfect. Back rear quarter, door gets wrapped fully 100%, and then inside here, fully wrapped with PPF. And that's it. So there it is, 2025 M3 Comp full Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film with XR Plus window film. And that's it. ClearboroughNorthDallas.com. If you need to get a hold of us, ClearboroughNorthDallas@gmail is our email. 214-414-3809 is one of the landlines. Cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent, and thanks for watching.